What are your plans this weekend? There are some really cool things that are happening in Bastrop starting tonight and going through Sunday, and we invite you to come on out and check it out. Hi everyone, I'm Chrissy Sunt.
And I'm Carrie Fossler with Keller Realty here in Bastrop. The Bastrop Music Festival starts tonight and goes through Sunday night. I am so excited. This is my favorite weekend of the whole year, and everything happens on Main Street in historic downtown.
And then on Saturday, starting at 7 a.m. in Tahitian Village, there's a community-wide garage sale happening with over 27 homes participating.
It's fantastic. Also on Saturday at 10 a.m., the Visitor Center is hosting a free walking tour of historic downtown. So take that walk and keep on walking. Follow our signs to our citywide open house. Your local Keller Realty agents are holding open 7 homes for you to preview on Saturday and Sunday from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m.
That's a lot of homes.
It is a lot of homes.
It's the perfect time to come and check out our town and see what Bastrop is all about. Do some shopping, listen to some live music, and look at some really great homes. We'll see you there.
We'll see you there.